Okay, so the other day, we're kind of like between classes for Bailey's obedience. And so I was thinking of like new things to teach her, and I was like, oh, well, we haven't learned any like tricks. Like we don't have any like, you know, cute fun tricks that she does. So I was like trying to figure out what would be the easiest thing, and I was like paw or shake would be super easy. And then I was like rollover would be incredibly cute, and play dead would just like destroy Tony. Like he would think that is the cutest thing. And so and me too, obviously, like she's cute. Anyways, so the other day I just kind of started with her on shake, and she picked it up after just a couple minutes. And then so we tried rollover, like you know, like an hour or so later we did just like a few minutes with that, and she's kind of getting it. For obedience training we don't use treats at all, but for this like trick training, she's very food motivated, as most dogs are, and so I was like, let's just, you know, go all in on the treats and everything. Let's go for it. So she is like very food motivated, and like usually she's pretty decent with taking the treats nicely from your hand, but she's like very excited as we're doing this, because she's like, did I do it right? Do I get the treat? Like really kind of being crazy. So she's taking the treats a little bit roughly from me still, so we're kind of working on that while also working on these cool tricks that she's learning. So anyways, we've probably spent like a total of 20 minutes between all three tricks, and like honestly just the last 5 minutes were teaching bang, because I figured once she had rollover, bang might have been easier to teach first, but we started with rollover. So anyways, we did rollover, and once I got her like pretty comfortable with rolling on her back and everything, bang was like really quick for her to learn. She's doing it from the down position, so she's just having to roll like to her side. Eventually, obviously I want her to do it from like sitting, standing, whatever, so that you can just go bang and, you know, shoot her and she dies. But anyways, we're working on that, and I just thought I'd show you guys kind of what she's doing, because I recorded a few minutes or a couple seconds of us doing the first 2 tricks the other day when we started it. But I just like, as we were doing those 2, I was like, let's try bang today. So anyways, here is Bailey doing her 3 new tricks, kind of roughly. It's a start. Not bad for like literally 20 minutes of trying.
And you're done. Ready? Shake. Lift it. Good shake. Good girl, good shake. That's shaking. Good job. All right, last one. All done after this, okay? Let's make it real good. You ready? You're a big girl, you got this. Bailey, shake. Good shake. That was so good. That was so good. Good job. Yeah. Oh, good shaking. You still want to shake? Good job. Good job. You're such a smarty pants. Such a smarty. What a smart girl. Good shake. Good girl. Good job. Bailey, sit. Wait. Wait. Bailey, shake. Good shake. Good girl. Good job, smarty pants. Bailey, shake. Good shake. Good job. We're gonna look. Roll. Roll. Good roll. Good. Yes, good. Good roll. Roll. Good roll. That was good. Good job. Does that make sense to you? So good. Okay. job, Bailey. That was so good. That was so good. Good job, Smarty Pants. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's do one more. I know, you're so excited. Go slow, okay? Go slow, go slow. Thank you. All right, down. Go down, baby. You ready? Roll. Roll. Slow. Roll. No, no. Roll. Roll. Good job. You got it. You got it. Look. Roll. Hey, you got it. You got it, man. Down. Okay. Good down. We're gonna roll. 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 Look. Shh. Slow, okay? Slow. You got it, man. Roll. Roll. Look. Shh. Roll. Good job. Good, good, good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Roll. Good job. Good job. Good job. Roll. Roll over. Roll over. Good, good, good. Keep going, keep going. Roll over. Okay, go back over here. Really good. Down. Good job. Look. Roll. Down. Ready? Roll over. Roll over. Good, 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 good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, that's a roll over. Good job. Good job, you wild woman. You're so wild. Good job.
Let's see, where's gonna be good so they can see you. Oh.
Sit.
Is that good? Yeah. Bailey, shake. Good job. Good shake. Sit. Shake. Good shake. Good job. Shake. No. Come on. Shake. Good shake. All right, Bailey. Down. No. Easy. Slow. Still in frame? Yeah. Bailey. Bang. Bang. Down. Good down. Bang. Remember, if you go over to your side. Good bang! Good girl! Oh, that was roll over. You're so silly. Oh, you weren't in frame at all, were you? Bailey, down. Good down. Wait. Bailey, bang. 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 That's bang. Good bang. Good bang. Good job. Good job. Good bang. That's good. You're like super dead, aren't you? Aren't you? Are you super dead? All right, Bailey, sit. Good sit. Bailey, down. Good job. Bailey, roll over. Roll over. Good, 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 good roll over. Good job. That was so good. That was so good. You did it. I don't think you were in frame, but you did it.
You good? Cool. Bailey, sit. Good sit. Good sit, Bailey. Bailey, down. No, ma'am. Sit. Down. Good down.
She's like, just
I didn't
getting a
say
treat.
That was a good down, Bailey. That's a good start. Shake. Good shake. That's a
Good
shake.
job. She's like real skittish because we just put her eardrops in. So she's like, don't touch my ear.
Bailey, sit. Down. Down. Stay. Down.
Say no, down.
Down.
Good.
All right, you ready for this next one?
Sure.
I taught her this all by myself.
Okay.
Bang. No. Stay. Bang.
Push like on her shoulders.
Bang. Stay.
Put your head down.
Put your head down. Okay. Good bang. There's enough room for her to roll over, but I'm gonna try.
Okay. Yeah, she's kind of running out of space there.
Bailey, roll over. Roll over. Oh, go this way. 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 Bailey, sit. That was a good bang. And roll over. Ish.
Ish.
You can have that piece. Down. Do you think I can get her from here to the rollover?
Oh yeah, you could go direct to rollover.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know how to do.
No, because I started with rollover and then I was just like, kind of half of this is bang, so let's try that.
Bailey, down. Down.
It would be easier if you get down there with her though. Like, yeah, work real closely with her. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Get down.
And then just move real slow with her and keep the treat real close.
Roll over.
And if she starts getting mouthy, just tell her, slow down.
Slow. No, ma'am. Sit. Down. Good down. Good down. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. You're almost there. You did it. You rolled over. Good, Bailey. Good, Bailey. All done. Oh, that's a lot of work.
It's hard, huh?
Yeah. That's a good roll over. All right, go to bed.
Bedtime. I don't have anything for you. I don't have anything.